For today's sponsor we have GVG Mall, where you can acquire your Windows 10 Home serial key for only $16, and using my SKAG discount code will get you 20% off, making it only $11. After the payment you'll receive the key in your account, and after getting it you simply need to introduce it in your Windows settings and BAM! You have an activated system. Hello guys, Ancient Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we have the unboxing of the XFX RX 6600 XT. So this card was sent by AMD, so thanks a lot AMD for sending the card. And what I can tell you right now is that this is the first card that I receive in this time period. Usually I receive the CPUs, GPUs and so on like after 2 weeks they are released, and now I actually have the card before the release date, or at least I think so, before the release date, so that's pretty nice. So I can do the unboxing now, and in a few days I can release gameplays, benchmarks and so on, so I can release other data. But once again, thanks a lot AMD for sending the card. Sending the card in this time period means a lot to me. And well guys, there's not much more to say, so don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share this video because that really helps a lot. Thanks AMD, and let's go to the unboxing outside. So here we are now guys, with the QICK 308. Let's see the box first. XFX AMD RADEON RX 6600 XT, 1080p Full HD, 8GB and PCI Express 4. 550 million players, 550 million gamers play on AMD Radeon. By the way, sorry for the sound, but I'm using the inbuilt microphone of the camera, okay? AMD RDNA2 architecture, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, so this is what we have in the front. In the side it is pretty normal, so AMD RX 6600 XT, okay? On the back, we have a bit more. We have the Radeon RX 6600 XT, RDNA2 architecture, DirectX 12 Ultimate, and so on, so on, so on. So AMD FreeSync, the usual per se. Included in the box, the XFX Radeon graphics card, obviously, the installation guide, and the warranty card. Okay, this is it. Also AMD RDNA2, gameplay, Radeon Boost and Radeon Anti-Lag, and the high fidelity with the AMD Fidelity FX, now with the FSR available also, okay? Pretty nice. Okay, on the other side it's the same, basically the same. This is the same but with a different color, red, so black and red. Let's open the box, okay? So here it is. Okay, so opening the case or the box, we have the foams, obviously, okay. Then we have this. Stop! Important driver information. No driver disk included in this product. Please connect the internet to download the latest drivers to receive all the latest optimization and bug fixes and all of other text that I won't read. As for the warranty card, we have it here also. So warranty card, all XFX hardware products, blah 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 blah. Username, password, blah 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 blah. Yes, I don't care about this. All you want to see is the GPU. But yeah, you basically have your warranty card here, okay? Pretty nice. Now let's go to the GPU, and damn, this is a little monster. It's a really big GPU for a 6600 XT. So it's basically only a bit smaller than my RX 5700 XT from SIII, only a bit smaller, but the card consumes a lot less power. So we're talking about like 120 watts maybe, 120, 140 watts like the RX 580 level, but with a monster cooler. So this card will be really cool in terms of temperature wise, of course. As you can see, it's big. Okay, the PCB. Obviously the cooler is not the strongest one, but still pretty big. Okay, as you can see, no cut for the die here, something that SIII loves to do, and the AMD cards do the same. At least, for example, the 6700 XT that I tested and the 6800, my 6800. So yeah, okay, we have a cut here for the fins for better temperatures, and cuts here, obviously, and here. You have the Radeon logo here also. Seems pretty nice in my opinion. Okay, there's not much more to say. Basically, one 8-pin connection here, only one, because like I said before, I assume this is like 120 140 watts, around that, maybe even less if well tweaked, under volt. And I think that 3 fans for this type of card is completely not needed. Okay, it's good to have. Oh, we have the Radeon logo here also, looks pretty cool. But basically, yeah, it is not needed. But well, it's better to have more than less in these scenarios, because if we had less, the temperatures may have risen, while in this case we know that the temperatures will be fine, even with an XFX cooling solution that we actually know, at least I know from my own experience, that they aren't very great. Now, without the plastic, you can see we have these details, which are actually pretty nice. So the card is pretty well detailed. Go away, fly. It's pretty well detailed, the card. Okay, so no details here. XFX logo, the Radeon logo. Okay, but in the front we have details. Pretty nice. The card is beautiful. I have to tell you that the card is beautiful. Okay, let's take the plastic off. The top also. Nice. Yeah, the back plate is also nice. It has some cuts here. Once again, the same cuts that we have. We have one cut for the fins, like I said before. This is due to temperatures, and this is due to temperatures as well. We have cuts across the board here, as you can see, here. This is just for the card to breathe, okay, to have better temperatures. But like I said, it's completely not needed for a card only pushing like 120 watts. It's not needed. It's good to have, absolutely not needed, okay. But the card itself is beautiful, I must say. I must say the card is beautiful. So we have the QICK symbol here, the XFX logo, laser craved, so laser craved, so nothing here, it's completely cut, laser cut. We have here no die, no space for the die, like I said before, a cut for the fins. In the front we have the Radeon logo and the XFX logo. Yeah, we have an 8-pin connection. Okay, we have the fins here. In the opposite side, the same, we have lots of fins. Okay, the actual cooler without the fans, and here we have the Radeon logo, which looks really nice. If there's something that I really like in this card, it's this part. So we have this angle in the side, and we actually see the Radeon logo here. It seems really nice. Basically, we have a pretty good cooler for the GPU it is, because from my predictions using the 6700 XT, this card will consume between like 120 to 140 watts, maybe less in some scenarios, maybe around 100 watts in some scenarios when tweaked. So it is really a great cooler, and obviously not needed for such GPU. Obviously it is good to have a good cooling system for any GPU, but was it needed? Not really. Is it cool to have? Absolutely. And well, like I said in the video, the card is not, how should I say it? The card is not huge. The card is big for what it is and for what it needs, but it is definitely big for it, not huge. But as you can see here, for example, yeah, the card has some pretty good details, looks very good. So wait some days, maybe on the 10th, I think, and benchmarks will come. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and hope you enjoyed this unboxing one.